Let's make rice and beans. Here are my proteins. I'm using fish and chicken wings. Now add your seasoning cubes, curry powder, and salt to taste. Now I'm gonna stir to combine, cover and allow it to cook. Now let's check on the fish and the chicken. It's ready. I don't have to overcook it and fry. Now let's fry. Just scoop it out and fry the fish. Now let's fry the stew base for the jollof rice and beans. Add your oil, onions, blended onions and garlic. Add your curry. Add your thyme. Stir and allow it to fry until translucent. I'm going to add my tomato paste. Now add your blended pepper mix. Add paprika powder or any spices of your choice at this point. Seasoning cubes. Stir and allow it to fry. Once the tomatoes has dried, now add your washed parboiled rice. When cooking rice and beans, it's always good to parboil your rice. Now add your cooked beans. Stir, stir, stir until well combined. Now add some butter. This is optional. I want that buttery taste. Some curry leaves. Then add your stock. Stir, stir, stir. Now add with parchment paper or foil to trap in the heat. Cover and allow it to cook on a low heat. Now let's check on the rice. The idea is not to allow the water to dry up. So now I'm gonna stir it and it's ready, you guys. This is creamy jollof rice and beans. So I am not targeting that the water will just dry up. It has dried enough for me, and I'm gonna off the heat like so. And yeah. You guys, all done. I've off the heat. I don't want it to dry. If you get what I mean. Creamy jollof rice and beans is done. I'm gonna add the proteins, the chicken and the fish. Just cover it and allow it to warm a little bit in there, and I'm gonna dish it out. Popping. Look at that. Creamy.
Thank you.
Thank you.